Have you especially you? But just say happy birthday and enjoy your night. See you.
There's one, so if anything happens, because I know you guys think you guys are tough, like take on anything. We have to be there for each other, speak. None of this tough stuff because it doesn't work. Need to learn to talk to each other. We go a long way. Family is forever. No matter where you are, over there, over here, that's why Palangi's made a phone. But in that, you know, Denzel, don't worry about what people say. You show life. What you do is up to you. My boy. And yeah.
Denzel's auntie. Denzel was like a son to me when he was young. He was at my house reading every day, weekend. It's nice to see you made it to the 21st, Denzel. Not much to say. Just enjoy the night and everybody's okay. Much love, Denzel.
I must say. Aren't I? Anyway, I mean, growing up, I've babysat this guy a few times. So there was a time when our mom passed away, so I had to come down and look after our babies. The girls had to go back to work. So he was part of the people that I had to babysit. They weren't the greatest. Him and his brothers, they used to get into these fights, right? Like playing games, playing fights. Men and went for real fights. And it was these guys, I'm telling you, they were fighting. Oh, they drove. I'm so glad I'm still here today. My mental health, the Calders, I'm telling you, the one thing about this, I love watching him play rugby because the passion this guy had for rugby was beyond, and I used to love watching his skills, the way he moved, you know, everything. I was so proud of him. Even today I'm still proud of what I think he still has, and he still has. Let me say something to you, Denzel. Growing up in this world, you know, your mom raised you, right? You silence for now, silence. So as I was saying, growing up in this life itself, everything, we all know we are family-orientated people, right? Your mom, your brothers, your cousins, us, your aunties. But the thing is in life, everything we do starts from home, right? Everything. So watch all the grandparents, everything they was, even though you don't listen sometimes, but it was always in the back of your head what you raised with, right? First of all, as a Sofeni, we are family-orientated people. Me and my sisters, like no matter how we are in life, you know, our differences, you know, where we go apart, but still family is the most important thing in life. So it's something we also try to raise our children with. And I know no matter where they are, they